Today we're going to learn how to disable automatic document downloads on WhatsApp when using it on your PC. Let's go through the steps together. First, open WhatsApp on your PC. Ensure that the application is running and ready for you to access the settings. Next, from the left sidebar, click on Settings. This is where you can customize various options to tailor your WhatsApp experience. Then, within the Settings menu, click on Chats, and then select Media Auto Download. This section allows you to manage how media files are automatically downloaded on WhatsApp. Now uncheck the box next to Documents. By doing this, you will disable the automatic download of documents on WhatsApp when using it on your PC. By following these steps, you can take control of your document auto-download settings on WhatsApp and customize your experience according to your preferences. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials to enhance your messaging experience. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in managing your document downloads on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Enjoy chatting on WhatsApp without worrying about unwanted document downloads on your PC.